Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super handy topic: how to search in Adobe Reader in 2025. Whether you're a student buried in research papers or a professional dealing with lengthy documents, knowing how to quickly find what you need can save you tons of time. Adobe Reader, now packed with even smarter features in 2025, makes this easier than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have Adobe Reader installed on your device. If not, head over to the official Adobe website and download the latest version. It's free and straightforward. Once you're all set, open Adobe Reader and load the PDF file you want to search. You can do this by going to File, Open and selecting your document. Now, look at the top of the window. There's a search bar, usually labeled Find, or with a magnifying glass icon. Click on it and type in your keyword or phrase. For example, if you're searching for climate change in a report, just enter those words. Hit Enter, and Adobe Reader will highlight the first match in the document. In 2025, Adobe has upgraded the search with AI-powered suggestions. As you type, it might offer related terms or show a preview of results. Use the navigation arrows to jump between matches. It's that simple. If you want more precise results, try using quotes for exact phrases or the advanced search options under the menu to filter by page numbers or case sensitivity. One quick tip: if your PDF has multiple pages, enable the Match Case or Whole Words options for more accurate searches. And remember, this works on both desktop and mobile versions of Adobe Reader, so you're covered no matter where you are. There you have it. Searching in Adobe Reader is a breeze. Mastering this will make your document handling way more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.